5 natural remedies to stop sneezing. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I got a quick one for you. I'm going to show you 5 natural remedies to help you stop sneezing. So if you're ready, let's go. Sneezing is a natural response to foreign particles in your nasal passages. It's your body's way of getting rid of any irritants such as pollen, dust, or other unwanted particles. Sneezes are powerful reflexes that are difficult to control and will leave you with watery eyes and an itchy sensation in your nose. So here are 5 tried and tested effective natural remedies to stop sneezing that may work for you too. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and so on contain certain plant chemicals called flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that help in building the immune system of the body. They help fight against unwanted bacteria that cause colds and allergies. Just remember, you want to try to consume these fruits as much as possible every day in order to remain healthy and help you fight against allergies and sneezing. Number 2. Amla. Amla is a great source of antioxidants and has antibacterial properties in it, which will help build your immunity. It can be taken in the form of juice or eaten fresh. Having amla 2 to 3 times a day instantly improves one's sneezing condition. Number 3. Black cardamom. There are various health benefits in consuming black cardamoms, the aromatic spice which is commonly used in Indian cooking. For this remedy to work, it must be chewed 2 to 3 times a day to get rid of sneezing. The reason this works is the black oil in the cardamom is very effective as it helps normalize mucus flow through the respiratory tract. Number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger tea contains antiseptic properties and acts as a decongestant that helps cure a cold and will help you with sneezing too. Simply cut a 3-inch piece of ginger and mix with 2 tablespoons of honey. Put it in boiling hot water and sip it daily before bedtime for instant relief. Number 5. Tulsi. Apart from being a sacred Indian plant, Tulsi has multiple health benefits. Tulsi leaves have powerful antibacterial properties that can fight off a range of dangerous infections. Simply boil a cup of water with 3 to 4 Tulsi leaves in it. Then strain the Tulsi leaves and drink as tea. You can consume this mixture or tea daily before bedtime for 2 to 3 days, and then you'll start to notice a difference. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 5 natural remedies to stop sneezing. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this does help us out a lot. And also, don't forget to click the link in the description, head on over to our blog, and pick up your free home remedy book that's waiting for you. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a video. I am uploading videos weekly. Thank you again for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Take care and God bless.